Okay, this is a quick update on my T-MAXX 3.3. This is the rebuild. It's actually almost done. Today I tore apart the entire truck down to the bare chassis and cleaned everything. And I've got it this far back together. And this is where it's going to sit for probably about 2 weeks or so. I got to buy some parts. I'm going to get a new drive shaft for the front. Upper control arm for the front, and the servo saver was broken, and also it needs wheels and tires and a body. So in about 2 weeks I'll have this all back together.